Hey gang, over the years, I developed a model that has significantly enhanced my ability to think strategically, prioritize effectively, and deliver improved results in areas very critical to my organizations. This model has also enabled me to clearly articulate my work, the outcome I achieve, and presenting them in a way that resonates very well with my key stakeholders and support my performance review at the end of the year. As you can see on the screen here, this is my catalyst model. Let me quickly go over it, and after that I'll share with you how I use it in my day-to-day work. First is the OPX box, stand for Operational Excellence. This encompasses all the operational responsibility and tasks I require for my role. Examples include like creating work report, submitting expense reports, budgeting, participating in one-on-one meetings, attending staff meetings, or conducting business or project reviews. Second is the drive box. That one represents initiatives that really drive my development, my work, or the success of my team or my organizations. This includes priority goals, projects, and activities undertaken to propel my work or to drive the business. The grow box reflects effort to foster growth in my development, my work, or the success of my team or firms. This covers priority goals, projects, and initiatives aimed at enhancing my skills, improving my work, or contributing to the growth of the business. The transform box represents any effort to transform my development, my work, or the success of my team or organizations. This includes things like training, professional development, project, initiative, and activities to create transformative changes in myself, my work, or the business of my team or the organizations. The scale box refers to initiative or project that I can create and implement to have the potential to scale across different teams within my organizations or even across the industry or the full ecosystems. The give back box reflects initiative or projects aimed at giving back to my teammate, to the team or the organizations, or even the broader industry or ecosystems. These efforts contribute to fostering a culture of collaboration and support. For the Module 1, the High Impact Professional, we will focus on the OPX, Drive, and Grow boxes. We will explore the Transform, Scale, and Give Back in Module 4, A Rising Star is Born, which should be launched in 2026. So now, how I use the Catalyst model in my day-to-day work is very simple. At the beginning of the year, when I do my planning for the following, my priority and goals, my development, my yearly performance review, I will always make sure that I have the Catalyst model in my mind when I set my priority goals, projects, activities, trainings, and development that I will be working during the year. As an example, for my priorities and goals, I make sure I clearly ID all operational excellence my manager is expecting from me. I got that from the Manager Expectations Blueprint, and I deliver on them. Also, I make sure my priorities and goals include initiatives that drive and grow my work or the business of my team or the organizations. For my development, I will include in my plan stuff that will improve my capabilities on the OPX, improve my ability to drive my work in the business, and stuff on growing myself and the business for the futures. As an example, I will have something I want to develop for each of them. OPX, training on meeting efficiencies. On Drive, a training on active listening, since it will help me with customers. On Grow, training on the skills I need to grow myself, like public speaking, since I want to do more public events in the futures. You'll see all of this in action when you do the development plan training on the building block number 3. For my performance review document, this is where everything comes together. I will showcase what I have accomplished from an operational excellence perspective, demonstrating best-in-class OPX across all areas. Additionally, I have continued to enhance my OPX skills by completing a training on efficient meetings. I delivered measurable results aligned with my XYZ goals, can include some specific metrics that help me to drive and continue to grow the business forward. Furthermore, I improved my capabilities to drive the business. I completed active listening training to enhance my customer skills. Furthermore, I initiate XYZ projects to grow myself, my work in the business, and as part of my personal growth, I successfully complete a public speaking course. The catalyst model is a very important model to help you to be sure that you touch on all the key categories when you're setting your priorities, goals, and development, that you have all the necessary elements for your yearly performance review. Keep it on hand and always have it in your mind when you're planning your priority, goals, project, initiative, activities, or professional development. OPX, drive, grow. Always have something for each of the three. The Catalyst model is a transformative framework that empowers you to strategically plan and execute your priority, goals, and development effort from a holistic point of view by integrating key elements such as operational excellence, drive, growth, and strategic initiative. It ensures that you have a balanced and forward-thinking approach to achieve professional success. This model serves as the foundations for elevating yourself beyond the average teammate, positioning you as a rising star within your team or organizations. We enable you to deliver impactful results, foster continuous growth, and showcase a level of comprehension and strategic insight that set you apart. Using this structured approach is essential as you prepare for your end-of-year performance review and you embark on your journey to be a greater professional. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next sessions.